He was let out because he was dying, and now word the Pan Am Flight 103 bomber is doing quite well. Some reports now say he has years to live, and that right there is not sitting well with the families of victims on that flight. Fox 25's Charmin Sacchetti joining us with more on this. Charmin.
Maria, you remember this. We were all told at most this guy had 3 months to live when they let him out of prison. The victims' families, unfortunately, they are not surprised by this. For more than 2 decades, they feel like it has been a fight for justice.
7 months after his release from prison, because he was about to die, the only man ever convicted in the 1988 bombing of Pan Am Flight 103 is still very much alive and apparently living well.
I understand lavishly in Tripoli. His family's been very well taken care of. There has been significant funding both for him and his family. And I suspect this was part of the deal.
Janine Boulanger's daughter, Nicole, was killed when a terrorist bomb exploded aboard Pan Am Flight 103 over Lockerbie, Scotland. Nicole was a senior at Syracuse University, one of 270 people who died that day. Last August, after al-Megrahi had served just 8 years of a life sentence, Scottish authorities released him on compassionate grounds. Diagnosed with prostate cancer, they gave him 3 months to live.